with the canister. Yeah. Now where's the arrow here? Oh, right here. Canister's ready to go. Vibration ring. And the back plastic mount. Yeah, we should mount the switch first. Then there's more room. So I routed the wires in this little notch right there. And now the cat should fit on perfectly, and it's got a snap at that end. Just like that. Now we can put the motor in. See this notch, and there's a notch there. You just line it up, and here you just wiggle it in. There, it's in place, and you see the line is ready to be wound around in there now. And put that back, put a screw in there. When your machine is plugged, there's a little whistle right here. And put a screw in there, I guess, to hold it. Oh yeah, let's see if it'll all fit back together nicely now. Yep. Now I'll tighten it back up. The 4 screws. Now I'm going to put the handle on. Just pull some of this wire back. Put a screw in there. Now we're going to mount this onto the body. This side. Now the other side. There, now this thing will just stand nice now. This on, cap on. We'll wait to put the canister back later. Now we'll work on the brush bar assembly. Fish this line through. And put a screw in there. I'll put this piece on. Connect the hose. And I left the 2 screws in it because these 2 screws are a different length. They're shorter. And that slips in there like that. Put the 2 screws back in. Now we can put the belt on. Put the up and down guard on. Now the brush bar. This one here goes straight down that one, and this one's okay. Okay, turn it straight in. There, it's in place. Put the cover on. Put the screws back. Plates back. Put it back up. Put the canister on. Vacuum's all put back together now. Good suction now.